Hey Dana, welcome to my vlog. And this is Dana's garage. Well, what you see is accumulation of parts. I'm down here at Wilbert's. I decided to get some rotors for my Escape and more rotors for my daughter's 08 or 010 Compass. And get a good deal on a set of aluminum rims and tires for the Jeep. So I got the air compressor, so this is the AC compressor, so this will be a continuation of replacing that on my 08 Jeep Compass. We probably won't do one on the Escape. I just need to get new rotors and pads while I was here. Where the heck did you go? You're hiding under there. You're here. Anyway, what you doing over there? This is my Ford pile over here. Ford pile over here, and Jeep parts over here. So we'll see what damage I wind up paying for that. I needed to get a new gas cap because I've got a large air vacuum leak code on the Escape, or Explorer, should I say. Oh yeah, I'm walking around out here. Here's a 220. Here's a 222 freaking live round laying on the ground. That ain't good. So I'll give that to him. So we're done here. Something I want to make sure. This is out of a 09 caliber, 07 caliber, excuse me. It's a standard shift. While I'm here, I wanted to get a new dash thing for mine. I already had it out. I've got a mine's cracked up. All right. But yeah, we got a good deal on that. Oh, what I was saying is looks like 08, 07 for your air AC compressor. Got to make sure you get the right plug. I've got I took one out of a 10 a minute ago. It took me a half hour thinking I was right, and it's got a different plug, so you might want to look into that. It does have this snap ring set up here on this one as well as the other one, so I don't know whether those can be swapped out. I don't know. It had a different setup here, but as you can see, I can go all the way around with this one without any lockup. So there you go. I was able to take the whole arm here, or the whole hose. Oh man, that not good. Now to clean that up. Jesus. All right, don't leaking the peg all over everything. God darn it. Gotta keep that clean. Yeah, that's all right. That ain't gonna hurt me. Don't get it on anything else. Okay, you just gotta remember to add peg to it when you do it. Get it over here somewhere. So, you know, mess that. I grabbed the serpentine belt. Because I think mine's freaking wasted. This one's got one too. I don't know if it's in any better shape. I don't know. But anyway, I don't see any cracks. This one dried and cracking. Okay, anyway, we'll see what damage is after I pay for this. Alright, we're out of here. 171. So 2 tires, AC compressor, 4 rotors with pads, the a belt, 2 gas caps, and 2 tires with the aluminum rims. Can't complain. Tires probably have 75% tread on them, so I'm impressed. Alright, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. These will be carry on to doing the 08 Jeep Compass, the AC compressor failure.